while since I've checked in. We've been getting a bunch of work done. It has been crazy. And we ordered lunch because obviously the kitchen situation is not ideal. This is my salad. I get like hard-boiled eggs, red pepper, roasted turkey, pepperoncinis is my favorite. But what I do is instead of using their dressing, I will just use my own, especially when I'm at home, because they're probably using a low quality oil. Who knows what they're using? I want to use my delicious, yummy oil. Actually, Greg and I put some truffle in this olive oil. We bought truffle at the farmer's market.
You put it in there?
Yeah, we bought it for a pizza night and we had some left over, so we just shoved it in here. It's not that strong. It's not like super overpowering, so it's not like weird on a salad, you know? Now we mix this up. This is like our favorite salad place, I would say. Simply Salad. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and then Fee and I are actually headed to the office. We have a few people to chat with. We just got off of a meeting with my gal Tate, who helps me with my TikTok, and we'll see you soon. Okay, y'all, we made it out the house. Yeah. We're hitting the town. We're headed to the Bloom office.
To work.
We finished up a meeting with our girl Tate, who's on my team. We had some salads, as you saw. Got a bunch of work done, some prep for the exciting thing I have this week, which some of you seem to already have guessed on my Instagram of why we're in Austin. Now we're headed to the Bloom office. We have some things and people to meet there. Got to chat with Greg, got my black tea with me. Forgot how much I like a good iced black tea. Me and Fee were chatting because we just were in New York. I was there for 2 days, Fee was there for like 3 days. And obviously we had a good time. We went and got drinks and like went out to eat. And it's just crazy how just a couple of days can really throw you off your routine. Like we're both like, oh my God,
yeah,
we need to be back on our shit.
I never need to eat another bagel or piece of pizza. I'm not gonna say ever again, but like anytime soon.
Yeah, like obviously it's fun to, you should go enjoy those things, but like you just feel awful after. And like, especially with drinking, we're both like bloated and just feeling it. Like I want to go sit in the sauna and sweat it all out. It's crazy how it affects your mental health. But I think it's just like a good reminder sometimes of why you live your life the way you do, you know? But we had a great time in New York. So we're getting back on our shiz, taking our greens. We're headed to the office. Talk soon. Okay guys, we're headed in the Bloom office. This is where the magic happens. I have a black tea. I am so annoying with the amount of beverages I bring. Fee has like my gallon jug right now. I have my tea. Fee has no beverages.
I drink my water and my greens. I should be drinking more water though. We're working on it.
Anyway, let's go.
Look who it is.
This is so crazy.
What's up, ladies?
The owner of Bloom Nutrition.
I know.
I'm such a fan.
I know. Listen, paparazzi.
Hey.
High security, okay?
So we are building a little PR package right now for, you can be in the video, Lindsay. Lindsay immediately sprinted
Oh,
out.
girl, me too.
We're building a little PR package for an exciting thing we have this week.
So we can get the love going on tonight.
Can I see your Christmas ball? Is that in your stocking? Is that in your Christmas stocking? Is that in your Christmas stocking? Why are you crying? Can I have it? Oh, yes.
Gorgeous girl.
Good morning, guys. It is the following day. It is now Tuesday. I feel like yesterday was a little bit too busy for me to really film enough for you guys, so I'm gonna vlog today. Today is a prep day. We leave for Austin, Texas tomorrow morning. I didn't sleep much last night. I kind of was like a little anxious, so I was awake, but I managed to get a run in this morning with Lulu. I did some abs outside in the yard, had my breakfast, and now it's almost 9 a.m. Fee just pulled up. I just saw her car arriving, and yeah, we're packing today. We're choosing my outfits for this project I have this week, and also a fun event. The event is actually in Vegas, so we're going to Austin, Texas, and then to Las Vegas because I got Greg UFC tickets for Valentine's Day. So we're going to a fight event, and you know, it's Vegas, so we gotta pop off with the fits. So we gotta pick that outfit. Good thing I have Fee. She's the best with stuff like that. I'm like, can I wear jeans and sneakers? And she's like, no, you cannot. It's Vegas. That's the plan for the day. We're gonna run some errands. I'll bring you guys along. Can't wait. So guys, I wanted to show you something funny. We do not have a kitchen at the moment, as you know. So Greg and I obviously cook almost every meal, and I make content around cooking. So we made ourselves a mock kitchen, and we've actually been using it pretty successfully. It's a little messy, as you can see, because we don't have a sink, so it's like we have to keep taking things to the bathroom, but you know what? It's working out pretty well. I've made some pretty good meals here, so I'm actually gonna make a snack right now. This is my favorite yogurt at the moment. It's a plant yogurt with protein in it. It's pretty good. Obviously I had to get rid of the Faye because it had dairy in it, but yeah, I'm gonna have this in a little bowl with some mango. There we have it. I added a little bit of cashew butter in there for fats. We always need our healthy fats. While we're out here, I want to give you guys an update on my fruit trees. Check out these lemons. See, I need your head for reference. Size reference. Next to this lemon. It's a large lemon. Orphe just has a small head.
I stood up into it the other day and it almost knocked me out. It's very big.
Yeah. And then look, I noticed this one. Look at this secret one.
Sneaky lemon.
This one I should enter in a contest. And then look at my little tangerines. Okay. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Let's go. Sophie has an announcement to make since we last checked in with her.
What?
With her love life.
Oh my god.
What's the announcement?
These people.
Should we keep it low-key?
There's been a lot of back and forth, guys.
There's been a lot of back and forth. And it's been a roller coaster, but we're in a good place now.
Ari can't keep up. I can't even keep up.
Yeah.
But I do have a boyfriend.
Oh my god! Abby zoom in on her face. He is in a relationship. And we're actually just talking about where we should go on a double date next weekend. So if you have any advice, drop below. But we already love Fee's boyfriend. I'm not going to disclose his name because Fee's a celebrity. we don't want to invade her privacy. No, but we want to go on a double date with them, and me and Greg really need more couple friends, so that's what we're doing. Oh, we want to go bowling. We want to go
Top golf.
Can we start a list of all the places we want to go in LA? Because we always like say we want to try places and then we never do.
I want to go to that Topanga place with you guys.
Oh yeah,
in
that
the
place
trees.
is great. Cafe 27, baby.
Yeah. Oh, and Tony.
And I mean, that's
never been
a classic. If you're coming to LA anytime soon, Taverna Tony is where it's at. That's me and Fee's favorite restaurant. Get the dip, the house dip. Don't even go if you're not getting the dip.
Yeah.
Even I ate the dip.
Guys, the other day we get there, Mari's like, I'm not gonna eat the dip. 5 seconds in, she's like, dip! Shoveling dip onto bread. I'm like,
We're both like,
thought
dip!
you weren't gonna eat the dip.
Anyways, we're gonna go grab, what are you gonna get, coffee or matcha?
Kind of in the mood for a match.
I'm in the mood for a matcha. I mean, let's just say if I have a coffee, bad things will happen. Unless something really catches my eye, then I might. Fee won't let me know.
She thinks I'm crazy on coffee. I'm like,
yeah, but
you're a coffee 5 seconds later. She's like, ah.
You're fun crazy. I'm like annoying crazy. I'm like, okay. It's a beautiful day in LA. Like, guys.
Actually stunning. 75 and sunny.
75.
Can't beat it.
I mean, look. It's gorgeous. Where are we hitting?
A cafe.
Yep.
Sephora.
Yep.
Prescriptions. Oh. Maybe somewhere to grab some food.
Yep.
Yeah.
Walk your dog.
Walk my dog.
Then we're going home to pack.
For Austin.
Yay! Hey guys, this is the fit today. We're very fashionable. I have an Aloe Yoga crop top, Set Active sweats, Birkenstocks.
Oh.
I mean, tote by Blue.
Giving. She's giving.
Okay guys, we have our matchas. They are glorious. That cafe was so cute.
Oh my god. That was my first sip. That was freaking good.
So good. This place is called Mavro Cafe. Highly recommend. Wow. Now we're headed to Sephora because I ran out of toner, so I'm gonna grab some toner. I do not skip skincare, guys. My skin is so sensitive. We know this, it breaks out at any moment, so I need my toner, so I'm gonna go grab that, grab my prescription, and then we're gonna swing by Fee's place, head home and pack. Yeah, I'm just remembering things. Okay, game time, baby. All right, you guys, we're at Sephora. I'm gonna go grab the toner. I'll show you guys which one I end up getting. You know, we'll chat in a bit. Okay, guys, I'm back home and I wanted to quickly show you the things I grabbed. I'm trying this Watermelon Glow toner. It's a bestseller at Sephora and it looked good, so I got the travel size just to try. I got a Dior lip glow. I'm obsessed with these like lip balms they have in ultra pink. I have the cherry one and I love it. I'm wearing it a lot of the time. A lot of you ask me what's on my lips. It's this a lot of the time. And then I got this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter to put under foundation. Fee said she loves it and all of TikTok is obsessed with it. So I'm gonna try this. And then I just wanted to throw this in there because I've been loving this, like on top of lip color, this Summer Fridays lip butter balm. It is incredible and it makes your lips look so shiny and moist. So yeah, been loving that as well. Okay guys, we're packing right now. I have all my stuff all over the floor. We're figuring out an outfit for the work project, which is more of like a formal look, and then for Vegas, which is obviously a fun look. So we'll show you guys when we have that decided. I'm getting my greens in right now. I always make sure I get my greens in before I fly and after I fly. That's gonna prevent travel bloat, which is crucial, especially when we're going for work. And then also we're all bringing a bottle of greens, me, Fee, and Greg, because when you're traveling, you're eating out, you're having drinks, these are essential and they will get through security. They may test them, but they always make it through. So the trip I took with Greg when we got engaged, we went to Puerto Rico and I was celebrating and eating and drinking a ton the whole time. And I was not bloated for the entire trip. And it was because I was doubling up on greens every single day. So if you're traveling, definitely bring your greens. I will put the link in the description box below if you want to try them. Okay guys, please imagine this with a spray tan and a much more put together face. But how iconic is this Vegas moment? This is with the blazer and the bag. Thank God I have Fee here to help me with this kind of look. Okay, so we have the bag and the blazer, but look underneath, guys. I mean, we have a fake thong moment going on. I've never done anything like this in my life. Hold on. But when in Vegas, this is literally something I think I put in on my Barbie doll. When
it's
I
like
was
a Polly Pocket outfit.
It's a Polly Pocket.
Polly Pockets, Greg.
Look at this glittery but zebra thong. Like I said, let's do all of it, okay? I think I'll just blend in Vegas.
Honestly, yeah, you're worried about that? I don't think so. Hey guys, so it's Fee. I just wanted to show you guys kind of how we pack Mari's bag for all her trips. I feel like since I've started, we've definitely perfected our packing routine. So pretty much first, Mari will just kind of throw a million outfits on the floor and we'll go through them and try them on and decide what she wants to bring. And then I try to really nicely fold everything. I usually try to socks, jackets, workout gear. She always packs a ton of workout gear. And then I usually try to pack almost the outfits by outfit together. So she's not like searching in her suitcase for like a top within a million tops. So like this is the Vegas outfit. This is for, I don't know when this is gonna air, but this is for a fun work thing that's happening. And then I usually put like all her bags and stuff over here. Shoes, and then her toiletries will go right there. And I'll show you how I pack those too. And then for her toiletries, we usually put makeup in one bag. I've started just using Ziplocs. I try to use reusable ones, but if we don't have any, I use a Ziploc because Mari's filming me and now I'm embarrassed to take it. Just like in case like you don't want a foundation explosion and going all over all your things. So I usually put them in a bag, and then I left her skincare out because she's still gonna do that tonight. But then she'll put it in this bag. I always pack a ton of little wipes for makeup removal. And then Mari is the queen of stains. I don't know if you guys know that, but she stains all of her clothing. And so we always pack these to-go shout wipes, and they are lifesavers. So yeah, we'll just put all this in there and stick it in that little spot that was empty in the bag, and she'll be good to go.
Okay guys, we are now headed to Errands. We're gonna go get a green juice. We wanna feel really good tomorrow on top of the greens we already took. I'm gonna grab some like little protein bars and things to bring to Austin. I guess we already announced on my Instagram what I'm doing in Austin, so I'll tell you guys right now. I am on the Skinny Confidential podcast. I'm getting interviewed by Lauren and Michael. I listen to the Skinny Confidential every single day, so it was such an honor to be asked to be on the show. So I'm very excited. He's been helping me prepare. I'm gonna close out this video here. I really hope you enjoyed the travel tips, the new house updates, the packing tips from Fee. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every single Monday at 5 p.m. PST, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!